It's a beautiful morning. I think I'll go outside for a while and just smile. Just taking some clean, fresh air. Oh, no sense in staying inside. If the weather's fine and you got the time, it's your chance to wake up and plan another brand new day. Either way, it's a beautiful morning. Each bird keeps singing his own song. So long.
Here's the pendant brooch. Not sure what it is. I dug like 3 of these. This one says New Orleans, Dixieland. I'm not sure if they're a brooch. I don't know what they are. It has no pin on the back. But like I said, I've dug 3 of them. One's Mystic Aquarium, this one's Dixieland, and I forget what the other one is. They're made of copper. They're interesting, but not sure what they are. Anybody has any ideas, let me know. And the rest of the hunt, we got $4 in quarters. Got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 $, 10, 20, 30, 40. $1.90 in dimes, 3 nickels, and 8 coppers, and I have 1 weedy. Let's see if we can get a date. I don't know if you can see that. It's 1936. Let me get some light on it. It's a 1936. No mint mark. Thing was only 2 inches in the ground. But I'm going to split this into probably 2 videos because there wasn't a lot of finds today. A lot of clad. That copper piece. But that's the most interesting find of the day, was the copper piece. But not a lot else, unless you count the clad. But quite interesting. As you can see, it says New Orleans, Dixieland, and I'm not sure what these are from. But if anybody has any ideas or clues or seen them before, let me know. Like I said, I got another one that says Mystic Aquarium on it, and another one that's from the Bronx Zoo. I mean, they're all shaped the same, made of copper. Alright, until I get the next hunt in, maybe a while before I post. Thanks. Just went to pop the plug. Said 2 inches. Wasn't even that, it was just buried in the grass. Let me get it out and take a look at it. A little pendant of some sorts. Don't have my glasses on. Have to get back to the car, get my glasses, take a look at it. Got some weight, feels like silver. It rang like dime, something like that. Dime quarter signal. Hopefully it's silver. It's got some definite weight. Get back to you when I figure out what it is. Once again, down in the hole, kind of dark. I have another Boy Scout tie clasp. That's the 4th one of these I've dug. I don't mind digging them. I'll get some pictures at home when I get it cleaned up. is a wrap up, roundup. I got $4.50 in quarters, $1.70 in dimes, 4 nickels for 20 cents, 34 coppers. The heart pendant, I don't see any markings on it. I think it's just chrome or plated. I don't know. It's got no markings. There's no loop. I'm not sure. But it's a nice find anyways. Always. That's all it says, is always. And then the cleanup on the Boy Scout tie clasp. This is a fourth one I dug. Dug one the other day. This has a wolf on it, it looks like. About an hour of scrubbing. Not bad. So, altogether, not a bad hunt. Didn't get any silver today. But, pile of clad. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave comments. Let me know how you feel. Alright? Thanks again. See ya.